Rant incoming. This video is going to be a little different from most of my other videos. It's not really programming related. It's not really game development related. Believe it or not, I do have other interests. I have a job, I have a life, and as you know, the development goes slowly because I tend to spread my time out among all the different interests. Sometimes, though, as infrequently as possible, I have to do adult things like cook, clean, mow the lawn. And it's that last one that I really have a problem with because even though I don't really hate doing it, I really would rather be spending my time doing other things. So to assist me in that work, I have a robot, a Friendly Robotics Robomower. Now, that machine, like me, is old. Parts for it are hard to get. Usually I have to turn to eBay. And the batteries just don't last all that long. So I have to replace the batteries maybe once every couple of years. And they're lead acid batteries, so they don't really last all that long as far as not just the longevity, but also the runtime. You know, I can maybe get a few hours out of them, but mostly it can only do the front yard. The backyard is too large and the batteries will die way before it gets finished. So I kind of let it do the front and maybe sometimes the side, but I push mow the rest of it. Now, I am looking to buy a new robot, and I'm looking at several different models, but I'm just noticing that the newer robots are just not built the way the old ones used to be. Now, don't get me wrong, the new technology is nice. The LiDAR, the GPS, the borderless, you know, you don't use the wire to guide it. Those are all really great. And lithium-ion batteries, of course, they last so much longer than the lead acid, so I can't complain about any of those things. But what I do have a problem with is the blades. Now, those of you who've been around long enough to remember the Robomow know that it had real lawnmower blades. Now, there are 3 of these, and they run side by side like a triangle configuration, and they apparently cut a 21-inch wide cut, which is about the size of a regular real lawnmower. But these newer robots use a plastic cutting disc. What is that, about 7 inches? And 3 little razors that are attached with screws to the edge. I'm sorry, but them little razors are not going to cut the grass the same way as these real blades are. And I just have a problem with reverting to little razors instead of using these real cutting discs. I mean, these are sharp, they're massive, you know, that when that heavy blade hits that grass, it's not just going to knock it over, it's going to cut right through it. That little razor, I mean, it's junk, and I just don't understand why all the new designs use it. Now, somebody could probably argue, oh, hey, the newer designs are meant to be safer or whatever, but I'm sorry. If I see a robot out there mowing the lawn, I'm not going to go put my hand in it. And if you do put your hand in a running lawnmower blade and you lose your hand, well, that's Darwinism at work. You should not be messing with a robot doing its job. That is how the robot apocalypse starts. People getting injured by machines just trying to do their job. Now, these blades are probably not going to hurt anybody, which is probably why all the manufacturers have gone to them. But I also can't help but feel like they've switched to them because it's probably a whole lot cheaper. Economy of scale, you know, you can knock out thousands and thousands of these little things and make probably a shit ton of money selling them for whatever they charge for these things, versus these blades, which first of all aren't even manufactured anymore. So when I buy them on eBay, geez, man, I pay through the nose for them. But these things last. Plus, being actual real blades, you can sharpen them a few times. Just make sure you keep them balanced and they won't get too out of balance to vibrate and ruin the robot, and you'll be okay. So I've gotten several years out of every set that I've ever had, and I'll tell you right now, there was times when I let the grass grow really tall, and it might take a few mows to get it, but that Robomower will take that tall grass down and make it look better than any push mower is ever going to make that yard look. These blades right here don't mow your lawn. They keep it trimmed. These things are crap. If you're running these and you let your yard overgrow, you're going to have to get out there and push mow it to get it back down so that these can maintain it. These do not cut your grass. They trim your grass. And that's basically the whole point of this whole rant. I cannot stand the design that these newer robots are going with. Yes, I love the GPS. I love the fact that they don't need a perimeter wire. There's a lot of really great things about these new robots, but to be honest with you, I wouldn't be at all surprised if something couldn't be done to replace these with these aftermarket. There might be some kind of untapped potential in that because, you know, let's face it, that's, you know, I might be onto something here.